So, how's the wife?
Oh, it's a bone.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You want to do your wife?
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's little condom stains on my bed.
All the way to the bank.
Go to hell.
I think you're drinking too much. You
Oh.
might have to walk home.
Alcohol malt liquor. You're just a rookie, pussy.
Just give me keys. Give me keys. Give me keys. Give me. Oh my.
I'm farting.
Fuck.
What?
Oh my gosh, what the hell?
This guy's dead.
Why is he dead? I ain't dead, I'm drunk. Yeah, I'm in my friend. Whoa, what's that? Yo! Oh,
Put it all the way back.
oh my god. Oh my god. You just killed him. I honestly didn't think you was going to do it. Oh my god. Look at him. We're screwed, man. We're screwed. We're just screwed, okay?
Don't worry about it.
What? Don't worry about it. You think another whiskey's going to help you? Look at him. You killed him.
First of all, dead guy. Second of all, who cares? Third of all,
He's a human being. Just drunk, like you are right now. You killed him because he was drunk.
and I killed him. Why?
Who knows? You just killed him. We're screwed, man. We're screwed.
Babe.
Oh my god. So I just gotta take a walk. You know,
He's awake. Hey! Hey, you! He's awake.
and I bet you're gonna go in there for nothing. You're right. How do you become an agent? Go somewhere.
Now, you for me.
I am so upset right now. You won't understand. Why in the would you kill him? Huh?
I don't know.
I should shoot you myself right now. Don't drink new whiskey here, man. I don't care about you or your drink. Drinking! There's nothing laugh about.
Let's get rid of the body.
Finally, using head. No, you're not throwing her in that dumpster.
Body bag.
Where did that come from?
I find it. Get rid of this waitress.
The hell?
Hey!
Alright, we got to get rid of them.
Oh!
Hey, you! Can I put it in the seat?
Yeah, sure, you're the waitress. Alright, let's get rid of the body.
What the body?
Come on, now you gotta help me get rid of this.
I'm not going to jail for you, man.
When?
stupid.
Oh, kind of stupid.
Yeah, they getting rid of it, man. You ready? But, hold on this body.
You can't even lift him up. You kill the guy, you can't lift up. Jeez, you're weak. Come on, man.
You can't lift yourself up.
Yeah, that's apparently not working, so...
I quit, man. I'm getting rid of.
Why did that? Why in the world you did it?
Oh my God.
Hot.
Oh my God. You're not even worried that you killed the guy? Sure, go back to typing, man.
I'm talking to the wifey, man.
What? Really?
Yeah. Pretty fun.
You don't give up about what happened just now?
No, not really.
What's that I'm gonna do with you?
Who knows?
This hotel got Wi-Fi?
I think so. Yeah, because I'm on the internet.
Or did you just hack it?
Let's go with the hacking.
Oh my God, I'm still mad that you killed the guy for no reason because he was drunk. Oh my God. Who was it?
Oh yeah, I ordered food. I forgot all about that.
When in the did you order food?
Shut up.
Oh.
Hello. Thank you. This is gonna be $20.25. Alright, hold on 1 second. 1 second, room service guy. Stay here. I gotta get something. I gotta get my wallet. I'll be right back.
Please don't tell me I think you just did. Really? What?
He tried to charge me for my food.
What the hell? How in the do you think we'll come to a hotel and serve free food? We're not VIPs, you know. What the hell? Why did you? You're weird.